If you want to make your CapCut edits stand out, one of the easiest ways is by adding custom fonts to your projects. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom fonts into CapCut PC step by step, so you can use your own style and make your text look way more professional. This is a simple process, but there are a few important steps to follow so the font appears correctly inside CapCut. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more helpful CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to download a font file from a trusted source. You'll usually want a .ttf or .otf file, since those are the most common font formats supported on Windows. Once your font is downloaded, go ahead and locate the file in your downloads folder or wherever you saved it. If you're not sure where it went, check your recent downloads so you can find it quickly. Now that you've found the font file, right-click on it. You should see an option that says Install, or sometimes Install for all users. If you see both options, choosing Install for all users is usually the better choice because it makes the font available more broadly on your computer. Click the Install option and Windows will add the font to your system. This part is important because CapCut does not always import fonts directly from a file inside the app. Instead, it uses fonts that are installed on your computer. So once the font is installed, you're almost done. If CapCut was already open while you installed the font, close it completely and then reopen it. This refresh is important because CapCut needs to detect the new font from your system font library. After that, open CapCut again and either open an existing project or create a brand new one. Once your project is open, go to the Text tab in CapCut. From there, click Add Text to place a new text layer into your project. You can then click the text box in the preview window or select the text layer from the timeline, depending on how you prefer to work. With the text selected, look for the font dropdown in the text editing panel. Click into the font list and search for the font you just installed. If you don't see it right away, try typing the name of the font more carefully or scroll through the list until you find it. Once it appears, select it and CapCut will immediately apply that custom font to your text. From there, you can adjust the size, color, spacing, and other text settings to match your design. This is a great way to give your videos a unique look, whether you're making YouTube intros, captions, thumbnails, quotes, or social media edits. And that's it. You've now learned how to add custom fonts into CapCut PC. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your edits look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.